Hey guys, Zeb Productions here. In this video, I'm taking a look at the Adidas Ultraboost 22 shoes. These are by far the most comfortable shoes I've ever worn or heard of, and these go for a solid $190, and they're worth every penny, and hopefully in this video you'll see. I'm a size 10, so these are in a size 10, and the colorway is magic green, which looks absolutely gorgeous, so I had to pick that one. And I had the previous generation of these shoes, which were the Adidas Ultraboost 19. So as you can see, it goes by every year. It's 2022, so we have the Adidas Ultraboost 22s here. Here it is, and it looks absolutely fabulous. The color is true to pictures and videos as it is in real life. So these are a running shoe, and the main selling point of this is the boost. You see the name Ultra Boost and that huge, really thick midsole, that blue midsole. Usually it's white, but now they started making it color matched. So that boost part is a technology specifically from Adidas, which the Yeezys also host, but at a lesser concentration. The Ultra Boost name is worth it, name is a giveaway. Tells you that it has a lot of boosts on it, which it does. If you compare it to the NMDs, which also have boost, and a few other shoes, um, they have less boost than this. Especially this shoe has the most boost out of every shoe. It's kind of like every year they outdo themselves. So this year has apparently 30% more energy return versus last year's, I guess. And this thing I really wanted to show you because it has Continental bottoms. Like, if you don't know what Continental is, it's a company that manufactures tires for cars and trucks and stuff, vehicles basically. And you know how high powered and just absolutely proficient those tires need to be. Like non-slip, yeah, perfect grip, everything. These also come in a cold ready variant, which is for winter. I guess it has more grip on the bottom as well as padding at the top to keep you warm and not slip in the snow and ice. I don't know what this two hole looking things are, but I think it was just these came like the slightest bit dirty. And my boost, it kind of looked like it was cracked from the top, but it wasn't. It was just like a weird crease. Nonetheless, I'm still very, very happy with these shoes. They look absolutely phenomenal. And now, while looks are all great for this, that's not the main selling point. The main selling point is how crazy comfortable this is. And it makes you faster and requires less energy to run. Even though as crazy it sounds, it's true. I recommend you guys definitely go and try these on in the store. If you can, your life will change. You'll definitely get these shoes, and they're absolutely amazing. But that was it for this video. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.